Hello everyone. Today's presentation regarding pollution, that is the chapter number 4. Air pollution refers to the release of pollutants into the that are detrimental to human health and the planet as a whole. Most air pollution comes from energy use and production, and the burning fossil fuels releases gases and chemicals into the air and in an especially destructive feedback loop. So, air pollution not only contributes to climate change but is also exacerbated by it. Air pollution in the form of carbon dioxide and methane rises, which is to be comes from the earth temperature. Then another type of air pollution is the all over pollution is the by the increased heat. Smoke forms when the weather is warmer and there is more ultraviolet radiations. Climate change also increases the production of organic air pollutants and including molds, that is by extreme weather and increased flooding and pollen to a longer pollen season and more pollen. Whenever we consider regarding the introduction of air pollution, that is the air, water, soil, human beings, animals, and plants, etc., exist in a mutually interacting and interdependent manner. This is called the environment. Pollution is the all over system is the introduction of particulars biological molecules or other harmful materials into earth. So the earth's atmosphere causing diseases, death to human damages to other living organisms such as animals and food crops or the natural or built environment. Air pollution may come from the all over system. The pollution is an undesirable changes in physical, chemical or biological characteristics of air, land, water that may harmfully affect it of the life of an organism. Many human activities affected the environmental causes pollutions. Air, water and soil are the important elements will affect all living things. There are main three types of pollution. There are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and sound pollution. Sound pollution is also called noise pollution. There is the types. Then, whenever we considering the regarding air pollution, it is affected on human beings, that is causing diseases, death to humans, damage to other living organisms such as animals and food crops or the natural or built environment. Air pollution may come from all over natural sources. Then, what is air pollution? Air is a mixture of many gases, including nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and trace other gases. Any change in the atmosphere that has harmful effect is called as air pollution. So, any substance that causes pollution is called as pollutant. Then whenever we considering about the what is the pollution or causes of pollution, that is the air pollution in the form of carbon dioxide and methane raises the earth temperature. So another type of air pollution that by the increased heat. Smoke forms when the weather is warm and there is more ultraviolet radiations. Climate change also increases the production of air pollutants, including the all over systems where the pollution system is available. Whenever we consider regarding effects of pollution is while we will made progress over the last 40 plus years improving air quality in the air, the climate change will make it harder in the future to meet pollution standards which are designed to protect health. So that is the air pollution. Regarding the next point that is types of air pollution. There are mainly two types. First one is outdoor air pollution and second one is indoor air pollution. In particular, outdoor air pollution, that is considering of smog, particulates, acid rains, and greenhouse gases. That is the reason, or that is the sources of outdoor air pollutions. Then next, air pollution is the gases and particles in the air that are unhealthy for humans, plants and animals. So this is the all over air pollution regarding introduction. The smog and soot, these are two the most prevalent types of air pollution. Smog or ground level ozone, as it is more wrongly called, occurs when emissions from combusting fossil fuels react with sunlight. Soot or particulate matter is made up of tiny particles and chemicals, soil, smoke, dust, or organism in the form of gas or soil solids that are carried in the air. Then, whenever we thinking about the air pollution, the mainly effects of air pollution in environmental, that is most important. First one is acid rain that is formed in the air. It is destroy the fish life in lakes and streams. That is most effective parts in all over earth. Then chlorofluorocarbons, that is also called CFC, released from refrigerator, air conditioners or deodorants and insects repellents, causes severe damage to the earth environment. This gas also have slowly damaged the atmosphere and depleted the ozone layer, leading a global warming. Then next effect is excessive ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun through the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere, which is eroded by some air pollutants, may cause skin cancer in wildlife. And next one effect is excessive ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun through the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere, which is eroded by some air pollutants, may cause skin cancer in wildlife. So this is the all over effects of air pollution. Next one is, this is the all over sources of pollutions. So number of sources is available for making or a reason of or air pollution, but whenever we seeing in slide, there is a graph of number of sources of pollutions. Firstly, we have to be seen the pollutions is happen by using vehicles. That is a 27.8%. Because of these vehicles, the air pollution is going to be created or increased. Next point is that is the smoking. By smoking reason, the 2.0% air pollution is going to be created. Next one is industrialist. In industrialist, all over smoking or any other gases is going to be spread in all over atmosphere. That's why the industrial level pollution is higher, that is 27.8%. Because of that industry, the air pollution is going to be created. Next one is biogas system. Because of this biogas system, the all over air pollution is also happen. This is the percentage is 6.4%. Next one is dust. Because of this dust, the air pollution is also available. That is the criteria of 10.9%. Next one is because of other reasons or other system, the air pollution is also available. That is the 2.9%. And the all over coal burning system, where is the, suppose in case of nuclear power plant where the coal burning system is available, there is smoke is higher level system available. That's why coal burning system is also big reason for created a air pollution. That is a 21.4%. And last one is household heating. Where is the household heating means, where is all our cooker is available. That's why the household heating, because of this household heating, the air pollution is going to be created, that is the criteria of 0.9%. So this is all over number of reasons because of that all over air pollution is going to be created on the earth. Next one is causes of air pollution. What is the main causes? There are two main causes. First one is natural sources and second one is man-made sources. In natural sources, that is volcanic eruptions, then second forest fires, third one is pollen glands of flowers. So because of these reasons, the natural sources, the causes of air pollution is happen. Then man-made sources is deforestation. This is the big reason for air pollution is going to be increased. Second one is emission from vehicles. This is also by man-made sources. Third one is rapid industrialization. So because of that rapid industrializations also air pollution is happen. And last one is was. So that's why this is the big natural sources and man-made sources. Because of that air pollution is going to be created or increased. These effects of air pollutions on earth, that is first one is global warming is created, second one is acid rain, third one is smog, that is a smog or soot, that is meaning of there are two are the most prevalent types of air pollution. Smog means that is a ground level ozone, as it is more called occurs when emission from combustion fossil fuels react with sunlight. So particular matter is made up of tiny particles of chemicals, soils, smokes, dust, and organism. In the form of gas or solids, they are carried in the air. So that's why pollution has reduced the distance and clarify of what we see by 70%. The sources of smog and soot are similar. Both come from cars and trucks and factories, power plants. So a number of engines is available. So that's why number of reasons is available and it is affected on all over earth. So anything that combines fossil fuels such as coal, gas, or natural gas, then the tiniest airborne particles, whether they are in the form of gas or solids, are especially dangerous because they can penetrate the lungs and blood streams, and all our system is affected on human beings. So because of that also the possibility of heart attacks and even hasten deaths. So it is more effective. Next one we have also see the effects of air pollution on human life. Polluted air contains one or more hazardous substance, pollutants, or contaminants that creates a hazard to general health. It is usually measured in terms of particulate matter or the number of particles of these potentially hazardous substances as a percentage of air. Air pollution in cities causes a shorter lifespan for city dwellers. So this is the impact of air pollution system. So because of this all over system, the impact is happen on human beings. So what is the three main methods of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, and soil contamination. So because of this all three reasons also affected on health of human life. Suppose the nerve damage because of this headache, fatigue, then particular matter because of CO, that is carbon dioxide, because of this ozone, the respiratory illness is available at the lung side. Then volatile organism compounds is happen by cancer risks, nurses, or skin irritation. So whenever the soil contamination is available, because of that the nausea is a disease is going to be happen. Also cardio or vascular illness is also happen. And also because of this water pollution and this polluted water we have to be drinking, at that time the bacteria disease is available. and because of this bacteria also headache fatigue is going to be created. Then parasites also available, then chemicals also available in polluted water. That's why this all over system is directly or indirectly impact on the human life. Hazardous air pollutants, these are either deadly or have severe health risk even in small amounts. Almost 200 are regulated by law. Some of the most common are mercury, lead, dioxins, and dioxin. There are also most often emitted during gas or coal combustion, or in the case of whenever we have to be contacted in air pollution, it causes eye, skin, lung irritation in the short term and blood disorders in the long term. So this is the health issue whenever we thinking about the impact of air pollution on human being. Again, effect of human health is main problem are related to respiratory tract, asthma, bay, fever, and other allergenic diseases. Then irritation of the eye, nose, and throat. In severe cases, there may be a headache, then nausea, and loss of coordination. Then next effect is prolonged exposure can cause damage to the nervous system, digestive problems, and in some cases causes of lung cancers. Next effect is it longers our resistance to colds and pneumonia. Next one is carbon dioxide has affinity towards Hb, which cause disturbance in transportation of oxygen, impairing our concentration, slow our reflexes, and make us confused and sleepy. So this is the effect. Next one is SO2 in the air, that is the leads to decrease diseases of the lungs and other lungs disorders such as sneezing and shortness of breath. Then chronic respiratory disease, that is a lung cancer, heart disease, and even damage to the brain, nerves, liver, and kidneys. It is the dangerous effect on human beings. Effect of arsenic, asbestos, then mercury or benzene is also harmful for our health. Then, air pollution is the modification of the natural characteristics of the atmosphere by a chemical particulate matter or biological agent. The atmosphere is a complex dynamic natural gases system is that the essential to support life on the planet Earth. Then stratospheric ozone depletion due to air pollution has long been recognized as a threat to human health as well as to the earth ecosystem. So this is the all over regarding information of air pollution. Then what is the solutions of this dangerous air pollution effect? The first one is invest in energy efficient power generation. Then second one is improve domestic and industry and municipal waste management. Next one is reduce agriculture waste, ins- incineration, forest fires, and certain agroforestry activities. Next, then it is next is the solution is make greener and more compact cities with energy efficient buildings. Next one is provide universal access to clean affordable fuels and technologies for cooking, heating, and lighting. And next one is build safe and affordable public transport system. And there is a pedestrian and cycle friendly networks. So this is the basic solutions to reduce or to vanish of air pollutions. Then again thinking about the sources of air pollution, there are three main points. First one is point sources, second point is non point sources, and last one is man made or we can also call anthropogenic sources. In point sources, these are the sources which cause direct release of air pollutants. Then examples the emission of gases from an industry through a chimney. Then non-point sources is these are the sources which release some substances which are capable of undergoing chemical reactions in the atmosphere to generate air pollutants. Example of that is the photochemical smoke. And last one is man-made sources, that is these are the sources which generate air pollutants by human activities. Examples: vehicular discharges, then burning of fossil fuels, then population explosion, etc. Because of these all sources, the air pollution is going to be increased day by day. Then next one, air pollution is also happen at indoor. Indoor air pollution usually is a greater threat to human health than outdoor air pollution. Four most dangerous indoor air pollutants develop, that is a tobacco smoke, then formaldehyde, then radon, then fine and ultra fine particles. Because of these all reasons, the indoor air pollution is going to be happen. Then next is major pollutants is available, number of gases is available in the atmosphere, because of that air pollution is going to be increased. First one is carbon monoxide, second one is sulfur dioxide, third one is nitrogen dioxide, fourth one is particulate matter, and last one, the because of ground level, the air pollution also happen. Then several factors can decrease or increase outdoor air pollution is: five natural factors help reduce outdoor air pollutants is: particles heavier than air settles out as a result of gravitational attraction to the earth. Second one is rain and snow help clean in the air of pollutants. Salty sea spray from the ocean washes out many pollutants from air that flows from the over, land over the oceans. Next, wind sweeps pollutants away and mixes them with cleaner air. And last is the some pollutants are removed by chemical reactions. So this is the several factors which is to be decrease or increase outdoor air pollutions factors. So this is all our information regarding air pollutions, then effects, then causes, then sources. So if you have any doubts, then you have to be mentioned in comment box. Then thank you.